Welcome to this lecture on Introduction to Amazon S3. Amazon S3 is the simple storage service from AWS. This is one of the most widely used and foundational services in the AWS cloud. S3 enables scalable, secure, and reliable storage for a wide range of use cases, from websites to enterprise applications. Amazon S3 is a cloud-native object storage service that allows users to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time. It's accessible from anywhere using standard HTTP requests and is integrated with nearly every other AWS service. Its flexible and scalable nature makes it ideal for modern cloud-based architectures. S3 is not a traditional file storage system. It uses object-based storage. It is built for durability, with 11 nines of durability, meaning your data is extremely safe. It also replicates data across multiple availability zones for resilience and high availability. Amazon S3 helps organizations meet strict security and compliance requirements. It supports industry certifications like PCI DSS and HIPAA. You can define granular access policies, encrypt your data at rest and in transit, and audit access with AWS CloudTrail. Unlike traditional file systems that use folder structures, object storage in S3 uses a flat namespace. Each object is stored in a bucket and identified by a unique key. Metadata is attached to each object, making it easy to search, analyze, and manage data efficiently. S3 is designed with horizontal scalability in mind. It uses a scale-out architecture where you can grow your storage needs by simply adding more capacity. There's no practical limit, making it perfect for large-scale enterprise data storage. Buckets are the top-level containers for storing data in S3. Every object you store must reside within a bucket. The object key serves as the unique identifier and can mimic a folder path using slashes, though no real hierarchy exists. S3 objects can have metadata, both system-defined and user-defined. You can also attach up to 10 key value tags to each object. This helps in organizing, managing, and applying policies like lifecycle rules or access permissions. Versioning is enabled at bucket level. Versioning allows you to preserve, retrieve, and restore every version of every object in a bucket. It's useful for protecting against unintended overwrites or deletions. You can easily roll back to a previous version when needed. To use S3, start by creating a bucket in your desired AWS region. You can then upload objects, organize them using key prefixes, and control access with IAM policies or bucket policies. Each bucket exists in a specific region and is globally unique. Cross-region replication allows automatic copying of objects across AWS regions. It helps in improving latency for users in other geographical locations and provides an extra layer of disaster recovery. S3 is widely used to build data lakes for big data analytics and machine learning. It also supports backup and restore solutions for business continuity. Additionally, many developers use S3 as a backend storage layer for mobile and web applications. S3 pricing is pay-as-you-go. You pay for what you store, how often you access it, and how much data you transfer. There are additional costs for requests and features like cross-region replication. The AWS Free Tier offers 5 GB of standard storage and free requests monthly for new users. Thank you for watching this introduction to Amazon S3. We hope it gave you a solid foundation.